My video tutorial is dedicated to help you get rid of the new ransomware type infection called CATAKA. CATAKA is a ransomware that is able to damage the files. It encrypts files. My video, however, is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will just show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files and will give you some recommendations on how to recover your files possibly. I cannot guarantee that I will help you to recover the files. Well, you have just clearly seen that before the ransomware attack, we were able to open the files without troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this CATAKA ransomware may be easily injected. So, it encrypts files and appends a random extension. It reveals the ransom note, and here it is mentioned that it is called CATAKA ransomware. You should not pay the ransom and you should not waste your money. Don't pay that ransomware and don't waste your funds. I recommend you to remove the ransomware with Cleaner Antivirus. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install the program, and start researching the device. So Cleaner will help you to detect and remove this ransomware and other threats. The software is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The software begins scanning, researching, and investigating the system. Please pay attention to the feature of Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature helps to remove the ransomware and to protect your data. It does not decrypt the files though. And there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt the files. So take your time, wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished by Cleaner Antivirus. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations. Some threats can be removed manually, but I do recommend that you consider premium license. You can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Cleaner. And speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your files.